Hi everyone, I am from Learn here and today I want to talk about a course that I recently took on Udemy called the Complete Presentation and Public Speaking Speech Course. This course promises to help students improve their public speaking skills and build confidence when presenting, and I'm here to share my experience and give you my honest opinion. The course is designed to help students at any level of public speaking experience. Whether you're a beginner looking to overcome your fear of public speaking or an experienced speaker looking to refine your skills, this course has something to offer. The objectives of the course include teaching students how to structure and prepare a presentation, how to engage and captivate an audience, and how to use body language and voice techniques to enhance your message. The course is targeted towards anyone who wants to improve their public speaking skills, whether for personal or professional reasons. This could include students, business professionals, entrepreneurs, or anyone who wants to become a more confident and effective communicator. The course content is divided into several modules, each focusing on a different aspect of public speaking. Here's a brief overview of the topics covered. Module 1. The Fundamentals of Public Speaking. This module covers the basics of public speaking, including how to overcome fear and anxiety, how to use body language effectively, and how to use your voice to project confidence. Module 2. Presentation Skills. In this module, students learn how to structure and prepare a presentation, including how to create engaging slides and how to use storytelling techniques to capture your audience's attention. Module 3. Advanced Public Speaking Techniques. The final module focuses on more advanced topics, such as how to handle difficult audience members, how to recover from mistakes, and how to use technology to enhance your presentation. I found the course content to be comprehensive and engaging. The modules were well structured and easy to follow, and the instructor's teaching style was clear and concise. I particularly enjoyed the section on presentation skills, as it provided a lot of practical tips and examples that I could apply to my own presentations. Overall, I highly recommend the Complete Presentation and Public Speaking Speech course to anyone looking to improve their public speaking skills. The course provides a thorough and practical overview of the skills and techniques you need to become a confident and effective public speaker. The instructor's engaging teaching style and the wealth of resources and examples provided make this course a valuable investment for anyone looking to enhance their communication skills. If you're looking to become a better public speaker, this course is a great place to start. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or just looking to build your confidence in everyday communication, the Complete Presentation and Public Speaking Speech course will equip you with the skills you need to succeed. So, enroll today and take your public speaking skills to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tips on personal development and online learning.